So today we're going to be fitting a PPF kit to this GR-Yaris. This is for the short version, which comes to around here. There'll be a separate video for the longer one, it's slightly more convoluted. First things first, the car needs to be spotless, ideally indoors, so give it a good wash, dry it off, get it inside if you can. This has just had a machine polish because it's about to have a wrap, that's why the handle's missing, but we're putting the PPF on first. Today I'm going to be working with this fetching blue sample just so that you can see what's going off. Obviously a clear one doesn't show up too well on camera. Second thing you need, a litre of water, it's just normal tap water, and to that we're going to add around about half a teaspoon of washing up liquid, which is rather gloopy. No hard scientific fact to this, we're just getting in there what we can. And all that needs to be in a fine mist spray bottle. Okay, so first job, take the PPF, make sure it's the right one for the right side, and spray the door. Liberal coating, you can't put too much on. And then place your film face down. Hands need to be spotless, should have said that earlier. Peel the entire backing off and it will clean to the fluid on the door. Now we're giving that a really good soaking. And the same all over the panel where we're going to fit it. In terms of position, we're going to need around about 1 millimetre of paint showing above this gap for the sill, and the same for the wheel arch. Take your film, put it on in roughly the right place, and without any pressure at all, you can see you can slide that about to your heart's content. So we're looking for the tiniest bit of paintwork showing along the bottom and around here. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to go ahead and load it with solution. It's moving about a little bit. Take your squeegee and running along the bottom from the centre, just a little bit of gentle pressure. That's the beauty of this solution, you can reposition it if you need to. Happy with that? Give it a good soaking again, and this time with a firm pressure, starting from the middle outwards, and the same there. Entirely happy with that now. Don't worry about these bubbles here, because they will push out as we work up from the bottom, working up to the top, and the arch, using the soft side so we don't mark anything, and plenty of fluid on there. And there you go, simple as that. Don't need any heat because it's such a relatively flat surface. All done.